At US Digital, we make encoders. We do everything from design to manufacturing. It all started in 1980, when a design engineer couldn't find the right encoder. So he made his own. Fast forward to today, and we have a complete line of
affordable, reliable encoders.
Thanks, David. And of course, we have all the accessories you'll need.
And everything ships the same day.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Most things ship the same day.
I'm gonna have to call you back.
Anyways, our customers use our encoders in all kinds of ways. Whoa, was that a dart blaster? But most of the time, you'll find our encoders on a motor like this one. We design, make, inspect, assemble, test, and ship all our products right here in Vancouver, Washington, USA. Oh, and by the way, our customer service team is here too. Because we do everything in-house, we keep improving our products and processes. We love what we do. In fact, some people love it so much they stick around for a long time. Like Mike, who's been here for
26 years.
And a whole bunch of other people too. We believe business is more than just profits and the bottom line. We value our employees, give back to our community, and support future engineers. But at the end of the day, it's all about supporting our customers' needs. Because
when our customers are successful, we're successful.
You started in '97, right?
Yeah, those days were crazy. Remember the Frankenbike competition we had?
Oh yeah, and the robotic scissors?
And didn't you break some ribs when
No.
Somebody's
Most
coming.
orders ship the same day, Steve.
All orders ship the same day.
No. Most orders ship the same day.
Okay, most orders ship.
Breathe quieter.